Hi guys, welcome back to a beautiful sunny afternoon. We got somebody painting there.
Hola.
Hola, hello. Let's go and have a look. Wow, that's fantastic. And the oil colours. What a better way to pass the time than sitting doing a bit of painting. And at the end of the day, you can't have a better view, can you? Huh? Let's be honest, guys. Magician guy just gone down on his push bike with his dog. Shoot back across. Got another camera guy there. Maybe TikTok or YouTube. He's got a better camera than me. And down there you've got the accessible area, player accessibles. You could go down on a wheelchair, go down on a mobility scooter, they'll get you a chair out if you want. And if you actually want to go out into the sea, they do have some little floats that they can take disabled people out into the sea on. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please hit that like, hit share, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.